my name is Lisa Keizer and I am the owner of Up North Naturals. And our company focuses on natural products for curly hair. People with curly hair need products that work, that feel good, and most people want to get away from the chemical-rich products. So we offer natural ingredients that moisturize the curls. There's no dry feeling or crunchiness, because that's the worst, no flaking. And we basically are giving you all of what you want and then the natural ingredients on top of it. So our customers are happy because their hair looks good, smells good, and there's no junk. When I started this product line, I knew that I wanted to put the best in it. And because community is so important to us, I wanted to make sure that that spoke through the products. So the fact that it's all natural and clean ingredients makes it different from so many out there. Like, there's a lot of brands that just fill products with water and chemicals, and there's a few drops of good things in there, but we kind of reverse that. We make sure that the foundation are good things, nothing unnecessary. The ingredient list is always very short, but the products work well. So I put that into the brand. That's unique. It comes from my own convictions to give the best. Well, when I started this business, I was actually downsized for the third time in 8 years, and from my job, okay? And I was a director of development in that role, all three of those roles. So I found that there was too much change going on. And so what I wanted to focus on is being able to kind of get out of it. I kind of did it backwards. And I didn't go to business school, but I just wanted to make sure that I was using what I knew to sort of make a good go of this. So I focused on what do I love? And I was going through a challenge with my hair anyways, and I decided to, even while I was working, I still started this line. I also got some help from our community with, for example, BACD. Like, meeting Teresa Shaver for me was amazing. Well, the truth is the very first meeting I had, I cried in Teresa's office. She grabbed me a Kleenex and then we went from there. She connected me quickly to workshops that were happening. She connected me to network events. Looking around a room with all these people who are just like me and don't have all the answers, what a great place. Like, networking like this, you can't not do it. So when you network and you allow yourself to learn something new, it should be part of what you do. Now that we're so busy, it feels like I have to go back to that. But at this point, I know that the foundation for me was that meeting that day sort of changed everything for me, and it gave me the feeling that I can do this. The word that comes to mind when I think of BACD are connectors. For me, it was really the connections that were important to me. So if you're just starting, you need that. You need to be able to feel confident in what you're doing, learn how to talk about your business, or just be connected to somebody who will help you solve a problem. They're problem solvers, and they come alongside you, and that's what you need when you're first starting a business. You need to be sort of understood, because organization like BACD, they know what you're going through. They know what you need that you don't even know you need it yet.